welcome back to another video. And we're back with another video. Today's video is how to make a printer with only 2 pieces of tape and 2 pieces of paper. Or just 1 piece of paper. Yeah, 1 piece of paper. And here, this is the printer I made. Yeah, let's get into it. First, I have this piece of paper right here, if you don't see it. Number 1, fold it. Fold it, okay? Then, you take your scissor right here.
Yeah, scissor.
And right here, see it? Right here. Cut about 1 inch. You turn around and cut all the way over here. You should have this now. Okay, you're right. Yeah, you should have this in the middle. And if you wanted, just take Post-its. It'll look nicer with tape, but just using Post-its for now. Just using Post-its. Lock them down there. Lock them down right there. Oopsies.
Oopsies.
And it should look like this. I'll show you. It should look like this thing. This thing that does not look like anything, but it's a printer. Mine, it should look like this. But my poster over here is not working.
Oh.
So you put the paper through, you write something, put the paper through, and then it comes out like that. I thought it would just be fun, like showing you that, but if you want it to look nicer, it looks like this. And you can make your own like this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe. Let's try to get 3 likes this video. And yeah. Peace.